Wow, isn't that fantastic? Ladies and gentlemen, as you have just seen, the Tata Safari is a prime example of Tata Motors' insatiable drive to offer nothing but the best. Feature-rich, power-packed, all-new Safari brings forth everything classy that the Safari has always been known for. Capabilities, comfort, convenience. We do hope that you will enjoy the new Safari and share your experiences. On behalf of Tata Motors, I thank you for your time and participation today.
Today, with the launch of the legendary Safari, we hope to further strengthen our presence in the SUV segment. Tata Motors has a strong legacy and history of introducing iconic SUVs in the Indian market. It may not be wrong to say that the lifestyle SUV segment was introduced to India by Tata Motors. While each one of them played a role in shaping the Indian SUV market, undoubtedly Tata Safari made the highest impact. The Safari epitomized the perfect balance of utility, performance, drivability and comfort. It became the vehicle that many dreamt owning sometime in their lives, including me. The Safari has seen multiple refreshes since its launch in 1998. Safari Dicor, launched in 2005, offered enhanced drivability and made it fun to drive in the cities. The Safari Storm, launched in 2012, further added to the premiumness by offering luxurious premium interiors and a mature and confident stance. These refreshes have always been aligned to the evolving aspirations of the Indian customer. Today, the SUV customers have evolved further with times. They now lead a multifaceted lifestyle and prefer to drive together for work or leisure. They look for SUVs with unparalleled versatility, plush and comfortable interiors. So, in order to offer the right balance of luxury and performance, SUVs world over are moving to monocoque construction. In line with these trends, we have ensured that the Safari evolves into a contemporary SUV. An SUV that offers an unmatched combination of an exceptionally strong lineage, robust build quality and premiumness, ideal for day-to-day office commute, as well as being suited for those exciting weekend getaways with families and friends. The Safari is our second product based on the Omega Arc architecture derived from the legendary D8 platform of Land Rover. This monocoque chassis construction provides Safari with excellent drivability, superior ride and handling. The D8 platform provides Safari with the right proportions of a true SUV. The majestic stance of the vehicle is further accentuated by the striking tri-arrow chrome pattern on the front grille, the dominating R18 machined alloys and the iconic roof rail design. The interiors of the Safari take the premium element even higher with the signature oyster white interiors paired with the ashwood finish dashboard. The three-row seating is intelligently designed to offer a stadium seating effect. The captain seats in the second row, complemented with the Boss mode, offer the executive customers a living room style ride experience. With an ergonomically designed third row, the Safari offers a comfortable experience for two adults in the third row for a pleasurable weekend getaway. Panoramic sunroof offers views like no other from inside the cabin. The Safari, as a flagship SUV, delivers a new benchmark of drivability and handling. The proven and powerful 170 PS Cryotech engine is mated to a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission to offer a smooth and eager power delivery. The robustness and safety provided by the Omega Arc is further enhanced by safety features like all-disc brakes, electronic brake, and the advanced ESP with 14 functionalities, providing blanket safety across a wide range of terrains and driving conditions. The Safari comes loaded with an advanced level of infotainment and connectivity. The floating island infotainment system with 9 JBL speakers will also offer Aira a connected car technology pack which brings a wide range of security and gamification options for customers. While we have seen the power, comfort and prestige that the Safari has to offer, we have something more to share with you all. Customers in the SUV segment, especially in the premium SUVs, have two facets to their personality. While on one hand, they expect prestige and sophistication from their vehicles, on the other hand, they also look forward to an expressive and outdoorsy SUV which reflects their adventurous lifestyle. Today, we introduce you to the adventure persona of the Safari. The Adventure Edition offers a distinctly expressive and rugged look for customers who prefer the design of a serious SUV. The Adventure persona will be available in a distinct tropical mist color inspired by the misty green of the tropical trees. The color has been specifically developed for the Safari, keeping in mind the rich and diverse flora present across the vibrant landscapes of our country. The exteriors offer a stunning combination of piano black and granite black finishes across the front grille and the roof rails. The R18 charcoal grey machined alloys further enhances the majestic stance of the vehicle. The bold Safari mascot in piano black provides a signature look to the Adventure persona. On the inside, the Safari Adventure persona comes with premium earthy brown interiors inspired by the golden hues of the desert sand as well as the other landscapes that India has to offer. The earthy brown interiors are complemented by the rich use of dark chrome and piano black finished materials to give a rugged and hard-wearing look capable of taking a beating through all manners of use.